Good morning. Hold on. Got a couple ats in the chat. Where you guys at? Boom. Live. Boom. All right, sorry, I was a little quiet. Good morning, everybody. How we doing today? Let me know in the chat. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing day. How's it feel to be the best-selling author? Let me tell you one thing. First off, feels amazing. Hardly graduated high school, went into college, literally was placed in the lowest level classes in college, had to do a bunch of non-credit classes just to get through college, finally graduated 3.8, and now I got one of the best selling books on Amazon. You can do anything as long as you put all the effort in the world to it. So when I was writing that book, I had one goal with the book, and that was to make it one of the best trading books to ever exist. So getting that #1 spot means the world to me. Honestly, I haven't even heard anything from them. I emailed the one dude last Thursday. I'm going to send him another email today just to follow up. But, if I don't hear anything, you want to know the best thing that I can do is just make them regret it. I'm going to make them be like, dang, we really should have published his book for him, because they're going to be making money off of me. I'm not making money off of them. I mean, I guess because they'd be giving me like popularity, but they're making money off of me, and I'll just make them regret it. That's the best thing you can do. But how many people we got? 130 likes. Make sure you guys run up the like button. Remember, 150 likes and you guys get the watch list. The one trade that I took yesterday. Good morning. Good morning. The one trade I took yesterday, and we specifically talked about this in this pre-market live stream. So if you guys are not paying attention and you guys are not marking these levels, I do not know what to tell you, because they are very important for a reason. So SPY, we talked about the 369.25 level, called it out in Team Bull. Absolutely beautiful trade. But if we take this low point on SPY to the high point right here before we started pulling back, we have a 50% retracement here and a 61.8 right here. Now, we took this trade one other time. I can't remember when it was, but it was right off the 50% too. Anyways, so we get these two levels. They're going to be important. As we can see, when the market opened, we ended up flushing down. This is what I like to look for, not when the market opened, but eventually we started flushing down. This is what I like to look for when we go down to bounces or up into rejects. I want to see a stronger move going into that level, because that gives it a higher probability that we're going to either reject or that we're going to bounce. So as you can see, SPY sold off from 372.25 all the way down to 369.25 within, 5, 10, 15 minutes. So as SPY started selling off down towards this level, I could tell that, overall sellers were getting exhausted. You can see it in the volume right here. So you can see it's decreasing as we go down. So as it came down towards that 50% retracement, it was like 9:57, 9:58, somewhere near 10 o'clock. 9:59. That's when we got it, or 9:58. This candle right here. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try a little bit right here, because we did have a 10 o'clock news and we didn't know exactly what was going to happen at 10. It could have just completely flushed, but the probability was still there that we were going to bounce. So we ended up getting long. We slightly broke below, but I was noticing on the level 2 that they kept reclaiming 369. So I was like, all right, I'm going to hold this a little longer. News hit. We had this massive pop right here. Sold, I would say like half of my contracts on this pop right here. Really didn't get the best fill because the spread opened up pretty wide. And then we dipped back down, and then we started pushing back up, got a better fill here, and then we continued to grind up. It was a beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful. That was the only trade I took yesterday, but didn't go as heavy as I wanted to, just because we had that news at 10 o'clock and it could have just completely flushed. But That was a one trade yesterday, the whole reasoning behind it. I think today we have news again as well. Bounce off that 50%. We're coming back up. Bingo. Let's look at the economic calendar. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Today is Friday. Non-farm payrolls, unemployment, average hourly earnings, labor force participation, and then we have a Fed speaker at 10. So a lot of news at 8:30. Let me pull up the futures. ES. 5-minute. Bingo. So I guess we're kind of just going to chill because unemployment's going to be pretty big. 200 people, 63 lights. And then, hold on. While we're waiting for the news to drop here in 4 minutes, because I don't want to look for anything and news just invalidate everything. If you guys do want to read my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, 450 pages going over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, make sure to check out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis, using that link right there. But how'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know. And then we're going to get the daily poll up. What is the market going to do? Pump. Dump. Bingo. Make sure you guys go vote. We'll see. We will see. Market is very irrational lately. Nobody's going to tell me how you guys did yesterday? There we go. One person. All right, I'll take it. Made money. Gas money. No trades. Ooh, looking at a new ride, huh? Is it that Nissan GTR? We can be twins. Made money. Good, good. We got 200 people in here, and 4 people told me how yesterday did. Yes, I erase old ones. If they're not valid, I just erase them. Made money on SPY, 4% winner, big green, small red, keep the losses small. Let's see. Taking a massive short on the S&P. Let's see, it's only money. Why'd you take a massive short? No trade should ever be massive. Should be calculated risk. Green, flat, 2,205 minutes. Yes, sir. I saw that yesterday. Good stuff. Yes. More futures videos once the video hits 200 likes. Green. What makes them invalid? If we've already bounced around that level, or they're just nowhere near where the current stock price is. Yes, sir. That SPY was beautiful. Again, make sure you guys running up the likes. 210 people in here, 100 likes. If you guys want to watch this, we need 150 likes. Alrighty. No, I don't want to reset my computer. Today is Friday. McDonald's meal, okay. Money's money, I guess. All right, we got 1 minute. And then we finally get the news. And then we can look for stocks. But I do like Meta. Meta looks pretty good. Also watching Dick's for swings. I kind of wanted to get into it yesterday, but not exactly what I'm looking for quite yet. Give it another day or two. If we can hold above the moving averages, then I'll look for the swing. But we do have this trend line, 1 hit, 2 hit, 3. Flat resistance right here. What is that? An ascending triangle. So looking very close at a debit spread on this. What am I doing for my birthday? I was going to go to New York, but I have some charity thing tomorrow. So I guess no New York. Thank you. November 6th. Mark it on your calendars. Your boy's turning 24. 8:30. Bingo. Man, right to the 50 again. Are we going to lose it? All right, what's the numbers? Labor force participation 62.2%, previous 62.3. Let's see, average hourly earnings year over year 4.7 versus 4.7, previous 5. Unemployment rate 3.7, forecast 3.6, previous 3.5. US average work week hours is 34.5. That's right on the estimate. Non-farm payrolls 261,000. Forecast 195,000. Previous 263,000. Right to that 50% again. Bounced right off. New York for Christmas? I might. From the BK, huh? I mean, we're bouncing right off of that 50. I want to see how we react. Market's very irrational. Honestly, the numbers kind of don't mean anything because sometimes good news is bad, sometimes bad is good, sometimes bad is bad, and sometimes good is good. I look at the numbers and then I see how the market reacts. That's pretty much it. The squeeze and the fact that we're trading up at that 90 level, it just depends if we can reclaim it. All right, SPY. You are going to be my main watch today. Seems like people like the charts more, so we're gonna stick to that. SPY, main watch today. Bounced right off the 50% fib from yesterday. Interested in calls above 375 or puts below yesterday's low. Boom, there's SPY. And all right, let's start finding stuff because looks like we're kind of just gonna chill in this range. Somebody keep me updated if the futures start moving. Let me know if we start tanking or ripping, either or, doesn't matter. But yeah, right off that 50% fib again. Trying to build a nice little squeeze on the 5-minute. We got a squeeze on the 10-minute. That's gonna be my main watch. I mean 375. If we crack there, we got room. Where's my weekly watch list? Where'd you go? Investing or trading options? AMD right off of that trend line we talked about yesterday. Nice 4-hour squeeze. 61.6. We'll get it above the daily 21 EMA. Yep, break above 61.6. I'll be interested. AMD's holding nice 4-hour squeeze, daily squeeze, actually, orange dots. Yeah, I like AMD to the upside. AMD. I mean, I also got a lot of positive feedback on the new one, but you guys like the charts, so I can't put the charts in there. Coin don't care about. Again, keep running up the like button. You guys are getting close. Need 30 more. Also, make sure to click that subscribe button. I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. SQ, nice little pump overnight. They reported earnings. I saw they were up nicely. It's QTD. Yeah, full port. How's our baby Tesla looking? Broke above that trend line right there. Tesla 220.79. Thank you for the subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. You're a goat. Yeah, Tesla above 220.8. I like that. Let's see what else we got. Somebody said Apple had strength. Not quite interested in Apple. AMD, I like that. Amazon bounced right off the 127 extension yesterday from this low to this high on the fibs. As you can see, we bounced right off of it. Bouncing off of it in the pre-market. Could get a nice little pump on Amazon. I mean, I'm probably just going to trade SPY and QQQ. I really don't like trading 0 DTE anymore, and I'm not trading next Friday on contracts because they're going to be pretty expensive. Google don't care about. Let's get back to that meta. What do you mean the market's going down? The market's pumping right now. What was yesterday's high? Right here. Meta. Bingo. Microsoft, don't trade that. Nvidia and AMD should look pretty similar. All right. I think I like the AMD setup more today. I got you. Oxy. We're looking at Oxy and Dix today. Fun times in the market. Yeah, I like the SPY setup more. 264.5. I mean, that could be a possible reject level. But we crack above there, then we got some room. We got a nice little daily gap to fill. Throw QQQ on here. Roku don't care about. We talked about SPY. We looked at Tesla. Yeah, if you're going to be trading 0 DT, you got to be really quick. Like, typically around like 10:30 is when you should not be trading 0 DT anymore. AMD. We have a Fed speaker at 10. AMD really had to like slightly crack above this. Really had to do me like that. I mean, we could still get like 50 cents of room on AMD, or we come back down and bounce off 60.5. So, nice 4-hour squeeze. Crack above there, could get a little push. Break above there, then we're really going to get a push. Nay, I didn't even know you were trading anymore. You still grinding with us? In case you guys didn't know, I've known Nay for like 3 years. Crazy. All right, Tesla above yesterday's high, 221.2. Yeah, that's why if you're trading 0 DTE, you can make a lot of money. You can also lose a lot of money. Yeah, I like Tesla 221.2. It's got room. Definitely has room above there. All right, Tesla, let's put it on the list. Break above 221.2 to the daily. Nothing here. Nope. Look to the left, look to the right. Don't see nothing. In case you guys are wondering how I find support and resistance, it's actually very easy. Go to your settings on ThinkorSwim right here. Go to General, Snap Drawings 2, and then choose OHLC. All I do, take my support or resistance line, snap onto the wicks, look left, look right. Do I have multiple hits? If not, I just keep snapping on. Look left, look right. That's pretty much it. There was another level. Where did I just have it? Right? No. I literally just had my tool on it. I guess there's nothing else. Oh, right there. So we have it. We have like this little area of resistance in between here. Other than that, Tesla, it's got the room. Tesla it is. Person's pivots say we Gucci. Tesla liking this if the market can gain some strength. Looking for a break above yesterday's high at 221.2 for calls. Price target equal 222.51, 2223. Above there, we have a lot of room. Let's see with SPY. But from the higher time frame perspective, it's bouncing off that 50 again. So it's a key level right there. If we break below there, I'll be looking for another bounce at 364.26. No. I would not consider this a bear flag, no. Anyways, let's see what happens with SPY today. What else do we have on the list? Meta, Nvidia. Yeah, I think Nvidia calls above 90.5, puts below 88.3. Can't really day trade Shopify, it doesn't move. Let's see, 87.21. Up there, we got room. 91.89 was yesterday. Yeah, nope. There we go. I love you guys, but if it's not on the list, I will not be looking at it. We got to get this watch list out for everybody. Can't look at a bunch of other stocks. The only thing that's on the watch list today, AMD, Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, QQQ, and SPY. That is all. Wait, was I looking at Meta or Nvidia? Hold up. Was I just looking at the wrong stock? Was I just sitting here saying Nvidia and you guys let me do that? Or was I saying Meta? We got a little level right there. Can't believe you guys just let me do that. Yeah, I like this if we crack above 90.5. Meta. Meta looking for calls above 90.5 or puts below 88.3. There's Meta. Can't believe you guys just let me go with it. Oh yeah, Nvidia. Oh my God, Nvidia. Can't talk today. What's wrong with me? Nvidia above 138.50. That looks really, really good. Parsons pivots. We're trading right at that daily pivot. We cracked above that. Up into 142.1. Let's see. 100 SMAs all the way up at 150.75. As far as support and resistance goes. So we're looking for the break above there. We got some resistance there. Previous support. Level way back there. Sorry, I'm just super focused right now trying to find these levels. Don't you do it. Really good. I'm still watching Nvidia. I like how it's looking. Might look for a slight pullback. We'll see. All right. Nvidia looking very strong. Will be interested above pre-market highs for calls. AMD and Nvidia have the relative strength today. Spy Tesla, Nvidia, AMD. Yeah, it's very simple. If it has a wide spread, you don't trade it. That's pretty much it. AMD. Yesterday's high is 62.28. All right. Yeah, gonna watch AMD for upside too. Top of that trend line, 62.75. Bingo. AMD it is. AMD watching these squeezes. Looking like they want to fire up. Again, will actively be looking for positions. So not really like levels to enter off of right now, just because we're slightly breaking above. So I'm gonna watch and just look for the best entries possible. We're Where's my list? There it is. But like I said, we're bouncing off of that 50%. If we don't break below there, we're not going lower. If anything, I'd be interested in the upside unless the market starts to tank. Then, of course, I'll look for puts. But it's looking as of now better to the upside. That can easily change. I've been wrong in the past. I could be completely wrong again. But as far as everything I'm watching, it's to the upside. SPY, Tesla, Meta, Nvidia, AMD are my mains. So SPY, QQQ, Meta, Tesla, AMD, Nvidia. It depends on what you're trading and how expensive the contracts are. So if you're trading AMD and an AMD contract is $100, but the spread is $20 wide, you're talking 20% of the contract value. It doesn't make sense. But something like Tesla, if it's trading at $500 a contract and it's got a $20 spread, that's normal. Now, if I was trading Tesla and it had an $80 spread, I'd be like, all right, I'm not touching this. You know what I mean? So, it just really depends on what's being traded, how expensive are the contracts, and then you look at the spread and you can easily identify, all right, I probably shouldn't be touching this. Who at me in the chat? Nay, do me a favor though. Hit me up on Instagram. I'll get you in the Discord. I got you. I don't have Bookmap up. And really, Bookmap's just best when the market's open and the market's actively moving. But let me drop the watch list for you guys in the chat. Feel free to ask me any questions. I'll hang out here till like 8:55, 9 o'clock, answer any questions that you guys got. But let's start off with a SPY level. SPY. That's what I'm watching there. Tesla. Meta. Nvidia, AMD. Again, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, use your own due diligence. Use your own risk management, do your own due diligence. Trade safe, trade smart, and do not blow an account on a Friday. If you blow an account on a Friday, you're going to have to step into my office and we're going to have a conversation. You should not be losing your weekly profits on a Friday either. You should not be balls deep in any trades on a Friday either. I used to trade on my phone all the time. If you're just using it for execution, the charting is terrible. But yeah, you can execute off your phone. So much easier to do it on a computer though. If market tanks, I'll look for puts and announce all my entries and voice today. Let's see. Choosing contracts. Typically, I go at the money, or when it comes to choosing contracts, what does the stock have room to and what does it not have room to? That's how I decide on my contracts. So Tesla, looking for that break. Honestly, we probably could even snag an entry if it just chills out right here. But let's just say that I was looking for the 220 break to take it up to 221.2. I think Tesla contracts, let me pull them up. I'm pretty sure they go in intervals of 2.5 now. Hold on, it's trying to load. Are they not going to load today? Oh, well. Yeah, they go in intervals of 2.5. So if Tesla were to break above here, I'm looking at the 222.5s. Because if it gets above there, we have 221.2, and then we have major resistance at 223. But if it broke above here and it's got no resistance until, let's just say, 230, and I'm confident that it can get up there, then I can be a little more, lenient on what I choose. So it could be 225s, 222.5s, but typically I'm only going like 1 to 2 strikes out. Oh, this QQQ looks so good. Smack a futures trade once we hop off here. But yeah, any other questions? Or is everybody good today? You guys ready to make money? Also, in case you guys did not know, again, I have a trading book, 450 pages. If you guys want to learn more about my overall strategy, an A through Z guide on my day trading and swing trading strategy, indicators, so much more, make sure to check out my book on Amazon, The New Age of Technical Analysis, using that link right there. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed. I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. So if you guys are not tuning in, you are missing out. Other than that, hold on. Cool. Other than that, if you guys want to join the Discord, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Affiliate links for anything, Interactive Brokers, ThinkorSwim. I don't even know what else I got on there. But anything you need from me, you can find it all right here on my Beacons page. So let's run it up today. Let's make that money. As always, I wish everybody the best. And if you guys are in the Discord, I'll talk to you guys in like 20 minutes. Actually, no.